Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the DivePro 200mm arm. So as the name suggests, it's 20 centimeters long. It's got the sort of standard size ball joint on either side, and yeah, it's made out of anodized aluminium, so it's pretty light. It is going to be negatively buoyant, but of course you've got those sort of O-rings, so when you clamp it down, it's not going to be dragging the arm down. It fits onto standard sort of ball mount, sort of butterfly clamps. I've got a few here, and yeah, it just allows you to mount your lighting a little bit further away. You've got the articulated joints on either side, so you can pose them and have your light away from your actual lens. And yeah, 20mm is a nice kind of length. It's sorry, 200mm and 20 centimeters is a nice length. It just allows you a bit more articulation. You can add an extra arm if you want a bit more reach, and they do also come in different lengths as well if you really wanted to get that precise. Yeah, it's a good sort of all-round, pretty sort of generic arm, and because it's kind of flat as well, you can sort of pose it and grab hold of it. It's really easy to manipulate. So this is the DivePro 200mm arm. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to it, and of course hit on that bell icon so you can see every time we upload a video. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.